hooked by your environment if you're in a negative place, or like the forest just made me go, no, no. I felt a tendril from the forest, and I didn't realize my head was shaking because I live detached from myself. Really, it's just about peace and a certain, it's like levels of mastery. Here, you notice how I'm making it positive and the birds are coming? No Diddy. It's like the longer you do anything, the more that you realize the things that were once a big deal no longer become a big deal. So it's like the stuff that was like, oh my God, I used to get high and I'd see cat people and I'd start twitching and convulsing and I'd feel my entire life get sucked out and I was left lifeless. And then my friends would all cackle like crazy people and try to encourage me to do more drugs. After I felt like I was ritualistically sacrificed to a demonic entity. Now it's like, when I see things around me that try to even put me in that situation, I'm able to just go, no. It just doesn't bother me. So, I mean, for you, that could have been what's called a formative experience, where you had to go through it because that's preparing you for something else. Like, I don't think, hey, that's cool. I wrote that last year. I wanted to put the King Casey. Oh, I wrote something here. I didn't even realize this was here. Look. I wrote, Casey O'Brien lost everything. He rested here to regain the strength to keep fighting. He is the light in the darkness. He is man in nature. Acacia's grace. 1133. And I drew a picture of everywhere that I raked. I drew the map of what I raked. What a fucking nut job, am I right? Now I would put, Casey fucked your mom here. Go to God. Find God, pussy. No, I'm actually I'm very proud of who I was then. Still am. What am I looking for? I got cheese, I got sauce, I got all this. Guys, I hate to admit it, but I killed something else. I'm sorry. I killed something else. And I have him right here with me. Help! Help! I got karma for enslaving humanity. Help! He killed me. I'm really mad about it. Help! Help! Help, I'm a lizard. Help! It's too cold for my warm blood, and Casey's hand is in my ass. Help! I'm gonna scare the crows with this. You can't come here anymore, crows. Got any bitches? You got any bitches? You got any bitches? Mwah. Help! 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 I can't possess Elon Musk anymore. Help! I identify as a tortoise. This is my this is my coworker. We work together. We go way back. I'm immortal. He's an ancient reptile. Yeah, he's right here. Help! Help! He brought me from my density to his, and he keeps me as a slave. Help! I was possessing people, and now I can't. I was wrapping around them and making them think that they were more powerful than they were, just so I could guide them into sinning. To keep feeding parasitic entities that I could farm for their emotions. We getting out the nest with this one.